I'm here at Redwyn Dunes Nature Sanctuary, just a little bit outside of Eagle River. It's a really, really cool spot to come and check out. This is an easy rolling trail, about a mile in length, so perfect for families. Very sandy for most of it. There are a few roots here and there to watch out for, especially if you've eaten a lot of heavy bakery after visiting the Jam Pot Monks, which are about a mile away. This is a really cool spot to go and visit if Great Sand Bay is too windy for you or too wavy, because you are here in this beautiful red pine and oak forest. There are also marshes full of wildlife. It's just a really cool spot to come and visit in late summer or fall because there's not going to be very many bugs. This is a really cool hike, so I hope that you guys come and check it out here at Redwyn Dunes Nature Sanctuary.